Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. Today we are going to present to a subject manufacturing management BMFP 4413 to topic supply chain management by Professor Dr. Mohamed. So our team members consist of me, Nurrahassiken, and I will briefly talk about the introduction and the company background. And then Nabilah will talk about sustainable activities and impact and limitation. And lastly, Khairunnajwa will talk about problems, suggestions, and strategy improvements. So what is supply chain management? Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw materials into final products. It involves the active streamlining of a business supply side activities to maximize customer value and gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. And how about sustainable approach? Sustainability is a holistic approach that considers ecological, social, and economic dimensions, recognizing that all must be considered together to find lasting prosperity. Adopting large or small sustainable practices can have significant impacts in the long run of every organization. So for this task, our group has agreed to discuss about Samsung's sustainable practice in their supply chain management. So this is a little bit of company background of Samsung, and it was originated in Daegu, South Korea, founded on March 1st, 1938 by Lee Byung-chul and started as a grocery trading store. So it was actually focused heavily on industrialization by expanding textile and largest woolen mill business to help South Korea's redevelopment after the Korean War, and first entered electronics industry in 1969 and first produced black and white television, and it expanded to sell home electronic products and started selling telecommunication devices in 2000s and climbing into top 5 positions in global market share. And now they are producing appliances, digital media devices, semiconductors and memory chips and etc.
Structure of supply chain management. This is the basic structure. Supply management, which consists of production center, distributor, warehouse, regional distributor, and local vendor. Sustainable activities, we include in 3 activities, which is EHS, which means environment, health, and safety, regarding human labor. Energy and recycling, which are using renewable energy and recycle materials such as sustainable source paper. Another one is social law, which include in purchasing. Impact of sustainability. One is customer loyalty. Customer will stay loyal with the brand that they trusted. Cost saving, which we save costs on fines. Another one is brand and reputation. Reputation for the brand, which is Samsung technology, will stay popular. Creativity and innovation, because to achieve sustainability, we have to thinking outside of the box. But limitation for this sustainability is increased supply chain crisis due to readiness of supplier. We have to find another or new supplier if the supplier is not in our recruitment. Time consuming, we have to waste time to achieve certain sustainability, costing for certain knowledge, and limited choice. It's because we have specific requirement for specific sustainability.
Okay, next, we continue with the problems. Supply chain management faces a challenge in the unpredictability of demand and volatile markets. So here is some of the suggestions. Firstly, inventory control is important to the implementation of an effective supply chain strategy. Secondly, Samsung needs to conduct a thorough market research in order to make necessary projections and engage in forecasting. Thirdly, working with an artificial intelligence requires Samsung to establish an in-house platform, which consists of numerous electronic devices. They often cannot be transported using traditional methods, which require necessary logistics to deliver them to a production site. Okay, so here is the strategic improvements. Samsung needs to position its new product on the market. It has to differentiate its proposition among the increasing number of competitors. Secondly, Samsung's long-term strategy should focus on building supply chains resilience and agility. Thirdly, it should include a combination of core supply chain activities and innovative trajectories as an integral part of the company's supply chain management system. And lastly, Samsung requires revised direction for its supply chain operations and functions. That's all from us. Thank you.